face mask has become a need in our daily life, especially during COVID-19 emergency where respiratory hygiene and health are important. The Jovian brand is committed to providing premium face masks that are stylish, comfortable, and protective. The face masks are made with high-quality components such as hypoallergenic and breathable fabric to provide the best comfort during prolonged use. The Jovian brand is dedicated to quality and safety and put the face mask through rigorous testing to make sure they meet or surpass industry standards. The primary function of face mask is to act as a barrier covering the nose and mouth and help to prevent the spread of respiratory droplets that may contain infection particles. Face mask has become particularly relevant in recent times due to the COVID-19 pandemic as they have been shown to be effective reducing transmission of the virus. It is important to take note that effective of face masks are vary depending on factors such as the type of mask used, fit adherence to guidelines on usage, and other preventive measures like hand hygiene and physical distancing. It is advisable to follow the recommendations and guidelines provided by public health authorities regarding the use of face masks.
The supply and the demand of the face mask. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, there was substantial change in both the supply and the demand for face masks in 2020. As the World Health Organization and other countries encouraged or required the use of face masks to help stop the spread of the COVID-19. Healthcare workers had a particularly high demand for N95, respirators, and other medical-grade masks since they needed to protect themselves while caring for the COVID-19 patients. At the start of the pandemic, face masks, particularly those of medical quality, were in limited supply due to the sudden and abrupt surge in demand. In addition to medical quality masks, non-medical grade mask manufacture has substantially risen. Examples include all fabric masks. Elasticity of demand. The demand for face masks was highly inelastic, particularly for medical-grade masks and at the height of the pandemic. Elasticity of the supply. At the start of the pandemic, there was a somewhat inelastic supply of face masks because of the unexpected and unheard of increase in demand. As the pandemic spread, providers adjusted to the higher demand and steadily raised their production capacity. The market structure of the face mask. The market structure of face masks can vary depending on the type of face masks and the specific region or country, so we can assume it as a perfect competition.
Cost of producing face masks can vary depending on several factors including the quality of material used, production volume, manufacturing location, additional feature, or customization. It challenges you to provide exact cost without specific detail. However, I'll show you a general example of the cost component involved in face mask production. It is important to take note that market competition, economy of scale, and other factors can influence the final price of face masks. Price can vary significantly across different brands and suppliers.
Lastly, demand and supply of face masks. Economists use the terms demand to refer to the amount of some goods or service consumers are willing and able to purchase in a given period of time at a particular price, whereby supply is the amount of some goods or service a producer willing to supply at each price. As shown in the diagram, it shows the growing demand for the face mask after the coronavirus. This is due to the increasing demand by the people to buy and get a face mask because with a control order from the Prime Minister, it requires the public to wear a face mask to prevent the COVID-19 virus. Indirectly, with the increasing demand by the people, supply will gradually decrease and the impact that will be faced is a shortage.